I got my first travel trailer, had a blast, crossed the country, and have done several local in-state trips. It's enriched our lives on many fronts. We're a fairly young family. We like going in the outdoors, camping, getting away from it all, beating the heat, beating reality, whatever you want to do out there. Haven't had this much fun since my old man used to take me out in the Winnebago. But back then he didn't tip me up on all the repairs and all the maintenance you're going to have to do to these things as you continue to have fun. Part of that maintenance is the generator, and it is right at almost 300 hours. Every 100 hours you need to maintenance the oil. We're going to show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. This is done by a professional. I'm just filming it, so they know exactly what they're doing. Check it out.
Right there, the drain plug in that flap. That is what blocked it.
Oh.
Fell into it.
Oh, your oil thing.
My drain plug.
The drain plug blocked the funnel.
Fell into it and blocked the funnel.
You're supposed to maintenance this generator every 100 hours. The cool thing is, well, you only have to maintenance the oil and the air filter and possibly the spark plug. You don't need to do any carburetor changes, any of that excessive maintenance. This one is actually pretty easy. After the 4000 it starts to get a little complicated, but the 4000 I think underneath, pretty easy generators to fix. This is taking 1.6 quarts of 15 W40 oil. The only oil I could find for this was Rotella at AutoZone, and so I just picked up however much that container is. I think it's 4 quarts. And you're only going to use 1.6 of those 4 quarts, and you're going to need one of these funnels with an extended edge out to catch the oil because of the awkward angle of the generator.
Our 2.5, so that's going to put us right at our 1.6.
That's 3 point. Okay, perfect.
Yep. And as long as it's anywhere in between that lower mark and that top mark, if it's in that grid, you're good to go.
Okay.
It is, just remember this, heat will expand it. So,
yes, so it'll show different cold than it does hot.
Correct. But you can see I'm about right there. So when it heats up, it's going to come up a little bit. So
okay.
You don't want it all the way up here at the full mark, because then when it does heat up, you'll have too much into it.
All right.
Anywhere in the middle of that, you're good to go.
Been there for a minute.
Before it get out, it's kind of got to go backwards and then below it. Nothing wrong with that at all.
Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Perfect, huh?
Yep. Nothing wrong with that at all. So you're good there.
Okay, so it's ready to go. I can go camping. All right.
Yep.
Yeah, I just gotta fix that exhaust pipe and then we'll be good. The part you might want to take in consideration: getting a spark plug, getting the genuine Oran parts. That's going to be your best bet for the Cummins Oran generators. Just go straight with the source. You can find them online. Air cleaner. Here's the filter. The same filter that we saw there. We just got right here. And a fuel filter. One thing, these are some of the things we did not replace in it. But a 30 micron fuel filter from the Oran branding. These 3 things are included in a tune-up kit that you can purchase online. I would just check these out and have these 3 things on hand all the time, and then also a jug of 15 W40 Rotella.